In 3 ingredients, I will show you how to make easy and super delicious ice cream.
Gawin nyo to guys. Sarap talaga. Gawin nyo guys ang aking video.
In this first step, we prepare in 3 ingredients, like Oreo creamed in soda, and also all-purpose caramel. First thing to do, crush the Oreo. Put the crushed Oreo into a bowl. Watch this and follow me vlog. I'm sure this 3 ingredients you make happy for your family. This tips is super easy and super delicious. And I know this is very one favorite for your children. After crushing all Oreo, open your all-purpose caramel. After you open it, put into a separate bowl. And it must be in the fridge from night to morning. And next to open is your 410 creamed in soda. Always be careful to open the can because it's difficult. And after you open it, mix your crushed Oreo and your favorite caramel. Please watch this video until done and don't forget to like, share, and follow. After you mix it, add your favorite 410 milliliters of creamed in soda. And this time you can experience this super delicious ice cream without any hassle. This is very Tipid dips and super creamy and very affordable. Ingredients. And after you adding a creamed in soda, mix it very well until it's smoother and smoother. As you can see, it's not done but it's very creamy. If you think it's smoother, now it's done. And after that, put it in a plastic bowl to put it in the freezer and put some toppings on it first so that it tastes even better and looks good. Put a topping with your Pangnegosyo like that. And this is optional but it's very look delicious. This is super delicious and make sure your children will happy when you serve it. And after this, let's put a lid on it too. Put it in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours and after that time, you can taste your delicious homemade ice cream. And now after 4 hours, we finally taste our homemade ice cream. Wow, super easy and super delicious.
Harap. Gahi, lumok ko man. Talaga. Tigas. Talaga.
So, what are ya waiting for? Try it. And if like this video, didn't forget to like, follow, and share your beloved someone. Thank you guys.